Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Learn Hub. Today's topic is math symbols less than, greater than and equal to. Okay, our first symbol is greater than. Okay, this is how greater than will look like. What does greater than mean? Let's see. Suppose if you have two apples on your left side and one apple on your right side, that means we say two apples is more than one apple, right? And we say the same thing as two apples greater than one apple, and we mathematically represent it as two apples greater than one apple. Okay, when you have something which is more on your left side than right side, then we use this greater than symbol to represent that mathematically. Okay, this is what greater than means. Okay, let's go through a few more examples so that you will understand it better. Suppose if you have 5 apples on your left side and 3 apples on your right side, that means 5 apples is more than 3 apples. That means 5 apples greater than 3 apples. And we represent the same thing mathematically as 5 apples greater than 3 apples. Okay, this is what greater than means. Okay, and our next example is, suppose if you have 7 chocolates on your left side and 5 chocolates on your right side. We know it, right? 7 is more than 5, and we say it as 7 chocolates greater than 5 chocolates, and we mathematically represent same thing as 7 chocolates greater than 5 chocolates. Okay, and this is what greater than means. Okay, it is very easy. If we have something which is more on the left side compared to right side, then we use greater than symbol. Okay, this is what greater than means. Our next symbol is less than. This is how less than will look like. Okay, and let's understand what less than means. Suppose if you have one apple on your left side and two apples on the right side this time, that means we say one apple is less than two apples, right? Here one apple is the smaller one. So we say one apple is smaller than two apples. And we say same thing as one apple less than two apples, right? And we represent the same thing mathematically as one apple less than two apples. Okay, this is what less than means. This is how we represent less than. Okay, that means the left side one is less than right side one. Whenever we have something which is less on the left side compared to right side, then we use less than symbol. Okay, this is what less than means. And let's go through few more examples. Suppose if you have 3 apples on your left side and 5 apples on your right side, we say 3 apples is less than 5 apples, right? This is less compared to this. So we say 3 apples is less than 5 apples, right? And we represent the same mathematically as 3 apples less than 5 apples. Okay, and suppose if you have 5 chocolates on your left side and 7 chocolates on your right side, that means 5 chocolates is less than 7 chocolates, right? Okay, 5 chocolates is less than 7 chocolates, and we represent the same mathematically as 5 chocolates less than 7 chocolates. Okay, this is less than. This is what less than represents. That means we have less on the left side, more on the right side. Okay, that is what less than symbol represents. And our next symbol is equal to. We use equal whenever we have same on left and right hand side. Okay, see, here on the left side we have 5 apples, on the right side also we have 5 apples. We say 5 apples is equal to 5 apples, right? This is same as this. That means both are equal. Okay, when left is same as right, then we say left is equal to right, and we represent it as left equal to right, or 5 apples equal to 5 apples. Okay, this is what equal means. That means both are same. And suppose we have 5 chocolates on left side and 5 chocolates on the right side, that means both are same, right? That means both are equal. 5 chocolates equal to 5 chocolates, and we represent same mathematically as 5 chocolates equal to 5 chocolates. This is what equal to means. Okay, So we need to fill the right symbol here in this blank. Here we got 13 on the left side and 5 on the right side, right? Which symbol will you get here? See, 13 is more than 5, right? Because it got 2 digits and 5 got only 1 digits. Since both are positive numbers and 13 got more digits than 5, 13 will be the bigger number here. So 13 will be the bigger number. So 13 is more than 5. When we got something which is more on the left side than right side, then which symbol we need to use? Yes, 13 is more than 5. That means 13 is greater than 5. Okay. So we need to use greater than symbol. How does greater than symbol will look like? This is how greater than symbol will look like. So we say 13 is greater than 5. That means 13 is more than 5. Okay. This is how we use greater than symbol. Okay. And in our next example, we got 9 on the left side, 13 on the right side. And we need to fill this blank with right symbol. And see which one is bigger here. See, we got 9, which is a one digit number on the left, and we got 13, which is a two digit number on the right. Since two digit number is more than one digit number, so 9 is less than 13, right? We just need to see whether left number is less than or greater than right number. Okay. So here 9 is less than 13, right? So that means 9 is less than 13. And this is how we use less than symbol. Okay. This is what less than symbol represents. Okay. And in the next example, we got 99 on the left and 113 on the right. See here, 99 is a two digit number and 113 is a three digit number. Since 113 got three digits, which is more than two digits, 113 will be the bigger number. That means 99 will be the smaller number. Okay. That means 99 is less than 113, right? So 99 is less than 113. So we need to fill the blank with less than symbol. Okay. 99 is less than 113. You understood it, right? Whenever we have something which is less on the left side, we use less than symbol. And we need to fill this blank 82 blank 82. See here we got 82 on the left side and 82 on the right side. Since both are same numbers, that means both are equal. See, 82 is equal to 82, right? Both are same numbers. That means both are equal. So we will get equal to symbol here. See, 82 is equal to 82. So when we get same numbers, we use this equal sign. This is what equal means. Okay. And if you understand math symbols, please give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next lecture.